Is your cholesterol creeping up, but you're not ready for medications just yet? Before you reach for a prescription, try reaching for your grocery list. In this video, we're counting down 12 amazing foods that can help lower bad cholesterol, support your heart, and keep those arteries clear, naturally. Stick around because some of these may already be in your kitchen. We're starting strong with number 12, oats. A classic breakfast staple that's more powerful than it looks. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the morning isn't just cozy comfort food. It's one of the best ways to lower bad cholesterol naturally. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a type of soluble fiber that acts like a sponge in your digestive system. It binds to LDL cholesterol, that's the bad kind, and helps flush it out before it ever reaches your bloodstream. Over time, this helps reduce LDL levels and support overall heart health. To get the full benefits, aim for at least 3 grams of beta-glucan per day, which you can get from about 1 full cup of cooked rolled oats. Choose steel-cut or plain rolled oats instead of instant versions, which often come loaded with added sugars and artificial flavors. Want to make it even healthier? Add fresh fruit, a spoonful of ground flax seeds, or a handful of walnuts on top for an extra heart-friendly boost. Coming in at number 11 are avocados. Rich, creamy, and full of heart-loving goodness. Avocados are one of the best sources of monounsaturated fats, the kind that helps lower LDL while boosting HDL. This makes them a fantastic choice for improving your overall cholesterol profile. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with fiber and plant sterols, natural compounds that can block the absorption of cholesterol in the gut. In fact, studies have shown that eating just 1 avocado a day as part of a balanced diet can lead to significant reductions in LDL cholesterol levels. They're easy to enjoy, too. Spread avocado on whole grain toast, toss it into a salad, blend it into a smoothie, or simply enjoy it with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. It's a delicious way to add heart-healthy fats and nutrients to your day. Coming in at number 10 is fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that doesn't just support heart health. It can make a big difference in your cholesterol profile. While omega-3s don't directly lower LDL cholesterol, they help lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and protect the lining of your arteries. This protection helps prevent plaque buildup, which is a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. The American Heart Association recommends eating fatty fish at least twice a week to enjoy the full benefits. Grilled, baked, or added to a salad, there are plenty of easy, delicious ways to work them into your meals. And if you don't eat fish, no worries. You can still get similar benefits from algae-based omega-3 supplements, which are 100% plant-based and a great alternative for vegetarians and vegans. At number 9, we've got walnuts, one of the best nuts you can eat for heart health. Just like fatty fish, walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, but in this case, it's alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based form that still offers powerful benefits. Walnuts are also packed with fiber and antioxidants, which together help fight inflammation and support healthy cholesterol levels. Studies from the American Heart Association have found that eating just a small handful of walnuts daily can help lower total cholesterol and LDL, while also improving the flexibility of your blood vessels, a key factor in preventing heart disease. Coming in at number 8 is extra virgin olive oil, a key ingredient in the Mediterranean diet and one of the most heart-friendly oils out there. Like avocados, olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, the kind that helps lower LDL while supporting the health of your arteries. But olive oil goes a step further. It's also loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to heart disease. Research has consistently shown that swapping out saturated fats, like butter or margarine, for olive oil can lead to better cholesterol numbers and improved blood vessel function. You don't need much to see the benefits. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day can make a noticeable difference. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle it over roasted vegetables, or use it for low-heat cooking. We're halfway through the list. If you're enjoying these tips so far, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more practical health tips. Now, back to the countdown. At number 7, we've got legumes, a group that includes beans, lentils, and chickpeas. They're budget-friendly, filling, and surprisingly powerful when it comes to heart health. Like oats, legumes are high in soluble fiber, which acts like a sponge in your digestive system. It slows down digestion, blocks cholesterol absorption, and helps sweep LDL cholesterol out of your system before it can cause trouble. They're also a great source of plant-based protein, making them an ideal swap for red or processed meats, which can raise cholesterol. According to research published in the Journal of Nutrition, eating just 1 cup of legumes a day can lead to a measurable drop in LDL levels. Coming in at number 6 is the humble apple. And yes, that old saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," might actually hold some truth when it comes to your cholesterol. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of soluble fiber that helps lower bad cholesterol by binding to it in the digestive system and carrying it out of the body. But apples also offer a double benefit. They're packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect your blood vessels and support overall heart health. To get the most out of your apples, eat them with the skin on. That's where much of the fiber and antioxidants live. Whether you prefer tart green apples or sweet Fuji or Gala varieties, they're all great choices for supporting healthy cholesterol levels. It's a simple snack, but one with powerful benefits for your heart. At number 5, we have dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens, foods that truly live up to their healthy reputation. These greens are packed with lutein, a plant compound that not only supports eye health but also plays a key role in lowering cholesterol. Lutein helps prevent LDL cholesterol from sticking to the walls of your arteries, which can reduce the risk of plaque buildup and heart disease. They're also loaded with fiber, especially soluble fiber, which we've seen again and again is essential for keeping cholesterol in check. You don't need to turn into a full-time salad lover to get the benefits. Even a few servings a week can make a difference. Toss a handful of spinach into your smoothie, saute kale with garlic and olive oil, or build your salad around these nutrient-dense greens. They're simple, versatile, and a natural way to keep your heart strong. At number 4, we have soy foods like tofu, edamame, and soy milk. These plant-based proteins are more than just meat alternatives. They actually have cholesterol-lowering benefits too. Studies show that soy protein can help reduce LDL, especially when it replaces animal-based proteins that are high in saturated fat. According to the FDA, eating around 25 grams of soy protein a day may help lower the risk of heart disease. And the great thing is, soy is easy to work into your meals. You can toss edamame into salads, stir-fry tofu with vegetables, or make a soy milk smoothie for a quick and heart-healthy snack. It's a simple way to support your cholesterol goals without making a big dietary overhaul. At number 3, we've got berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, they're all bursting with heart-healthy nutrients. Berries are rich in antioxidants and soluble fiber, 2 key players when it comes to lowering LDL cholesterol and keeping your blood vessels flexible and healthy. The antioxidants in berries, particularly anthocyanins, help reduce inflammation and protect the lining of your arteries from damage. And because they're naturally sweet, berries make a great alternative to sugary snacks or desserts. You can add them to yogurt, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or just enjoy them by the handful. Aim for about 1 cup a day, whether fresh or frozen. It's a small and tasty step with big benefits for your heart. At number 2, we have flax seeds, tiny seeds that pack a powerful punch when it comes to heart health. Flax seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and lignans, a unique type of antioxidant. Together, these compounds help lower LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support the overall health of your arteries. To get the most benefit, choose ground flax seeds over whole ones. Whole flax seeds tend to pass through your system undigested, so grinding them helps your body absorb all those heart-friendly nutrients. They're super easy to add to your daily routine. Sprinkle ground flax seeds onto your oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into muffins and other baked goods. Even a tablespoon a day can make a meaningful difference over time. And at number 1, we have barley, an often overlooked grain that deserves way more attention for its heart health benefits. Barley is loaded with beta-glucan, the same type of soluble fiber found in oats, But gram for gram, barley actually has even more of it. This powerful fiber binds to LDL cholesterol in your digestive tract and helps carry it out of the body before it can enter your bloodstream. Eating barley regularly has been shown to lower total cholesterol, reduce LDL levels, and even improve blood sugar control, which is another important factor for heart health. It's also really versatile. Add it to soups, toss it into grain bowls, or use it as a wholesome alternative to white rice. It has a slightly nutty flavor and a chewy texture that makes every bite satisfying and heart-friendly. And there you have it, 12 powerful foods that can help you naturally lower high cholesterol and protect your heart. Oats, avocados, fatty fish, walnuts, olive oil, legumes, apples, dark leafy greens, soy foods, berries, flax seeds, and barley. Adding even a few of these to your weekly meals can make a big difference in your long-term heart health. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Or is there one you're excited to try next? Let us know in the comments. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Check out our merch store to support the channel and leave a super thanks if you'd like to show a little extra love. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.